I'm here at Niagara Falls celebrating the new year, and I just wanted to say hope you guys have a happy new year's and hope all your manifestations come alive and your dreams come true, and even if things don't work out the way you want them, it's just probably a detour to where you really want to go. So it's all in the journey. And I missed the fireworks today, so that's kind of like sometimes things just don't go the way you plan them to go. So anyway, I had a lot of fun. I just danced my ass off and it was so much fun in the middle of all these lights. My vibration is so high right now. So I hope you guys learn to do things that raise your vibration and don't care what other people think. And yeah, just keep on. If things don't go according to plan right away, don't lose hope and keep that vibration up so that the manifestations can happen faster, even though there's things along the way that can stop it from happening the way you wanted it to. So yeah, don't give up and be yourself, and I hope you have a happy new year. Yeah.